So guys, here you can see more video has been came about the Django, and in today's Django video I am telling us how to collect the static files. If you don't know how to collect the static files, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, how to collect the static files in Django. So see the video start to end and please hit the like button, share your fans, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also so don't miss a future latest videos. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to now. Let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Django video I am telling about how to collect the static files. If you don't know how to download the static files, so let me tell you how to download it. Sorry, how to collect the static files. So let's get started. Handle a static file. Static files in your project like a style sheets, JavaScript, images are not handled automatically by Django when debug equals to false. When debug equals to true, this worked fine. All we had to do was to put them in the static folder of the application. When debug equals to false, static files have to be collected and put in the specified folder before we can use it. Collect static files. To collect all necessary static files for your project, start by specifying a static root property in the settings.py file. This specify a folder where you want to collect your static files. You can call the folder whatever you like. We call it production files. Means you can call your folder whatever you like. You like Ryan file, like whatever you like. You will share your folder. I am calling it production files, like that. And you write this code on your settings.py file. Okay, like that. Now come out here. Now you could manually create this folder and collect and put all static files of your project into this folder, but Django has a command that do this for you. Which type of command? This type of command. Okay, like py manage.py collect statics. Like, let me show you. In the shell you write like py manage.py collect static, or if you are on Visual Studio Code, so you in your terminal you will write it. Now I have write it, then it will be give me like this type of output. Then now we will produce this type of result, and there are 131 static files. Copy it to, and now let's come on it here. 131 files. Why so many? Well, this is because of the admin user interface. Because of the admin user interface that comes built in with Django. We want to keep this feature in production, and it comes with a whole bunch of files including style sheets, fonts, images and JavaScripts. The example should work. Now you have collected the static files of your project, and if you have installed the white nodes, the example from the add static file chapter, then you will finally work. Start the server and see the result. How to start the server if you don't know, so let me tell you how to start the server. Go on your terminal if you are on Visual Studio Code, and here you can write like py manage.py run server. Then your server will be run. I am not do like that because I am on Rapid, so I only run it from here. And check out the result in your own browser. Okay. Now let's come on it down. Now in your template.html file, you write this type of code. This type of, here you can see it. This type of code. Copy it and go here, and where's my template.html file. There are many files, like one name is all members.html file and one name is a template.html file. But you paste this code in your template.html file, okay, like that. And then now come here. And now when you do like that, so like that you can do it. So in today's video we learn about how to collect the static files. I have already told you how to collect the static file. To collect the static file, you in your cell, what you can write here, in your, you write here py manage.py collect static. Then it will be start to collecting it. Okay, so like that you can do it. It is not collecting it because I am using the Rapid. If you are on Visual Studio Code, so it will be give you. Or you here you can also write like py manage.py collect static, like that. So now like that you can do it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video I told you about how to collect the static files. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. So now I meet you in next lesson, next video. I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.